Astrato. Extravagant simplicity. Glazed porcelain tiles, neutral shades and a network of lines and intersections in a minimalist style for those who like to be different. Astrato is artistic contamination, cutting edge, the ultimate in non-conformism. Creativity given free rein to design innovative rooms and locations in an urban style with rare elegance. Fine light lines, understatedly compelling intersections tracing new surfaces. Beautiful yet practical, basic but sophisticated, original and versatile. Astrato comes in 4 sizes: 90 by 90, 45 by 90 and 60 by 60 centimeters rectified and 45 by 45 centimeters not rectified. Ideal for the requirements of urban architecture and a set of delicate colors which, in combination with the smooth and matte glaze, make the ceramic material natural and soft to the touch. A collection with evocative, tactile strength, perfect for floors and walls in a minimal style that doesn't exclude details, thanks to the striped, textured maxi strips. A special, cool choice, extravagant in its simplicity.